Excellency. 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 Excellency.
Okay, today we had a customer contact us and she wanted us to take a look at her paint. Now as I look at the paint, she wondered, can I bring it back? I told her no problem, but I had to assess the situation. The stuff dripping from the paint, there was a lot of bugs, there was a lot of stuff on top of the paint. It was heavily oxidized. So I grabbed the pressure washer and got to work. So today I'm going to use the clay bar technique to decontaminate the paint and make sure to get all the stuff off of the paint before I wax it. So one thing about dealing with oxidation, you have to get on the top, the surface, the clear coat, and make sure that you are getting in there, cutting deep so that you can get to the shiny part of the paint. So this clay bar is designed to help. Alright, now I'm going to wax this car, and as I'm going over this wax, I noticed that it's getting very shiny and there's a big difference, and the oxidation just totally came out. So after a while of me doing my handy dandy work, it came clean, sparkling and shining. The customer even said she had to put her glasses on when she first approached the car because it was so shiny. She would have left a testimonial, but she was shy. So I guess in a later date, I will just read off all of the customers who were shy, read off their reviews. And this is another satisfied customer. I am satisfied and happy with the work. I can see myself inside of the paint, and that's what it's all about. Another happy customer. So if your paint looks like that and you want it to be like this, then give us a call. You know exactly who we are. Yeah, it's nice and shiny, just how it should be.